Alright, so it's 3:30 a.m. and they said not to wake them up. I think I can do this. Loudest floor ever. Shoot! I'll clean that up in the morning. Jesus! Sorry, buddy. Was that an elephant? I think I got away with it. Hey, what was that?